Eggs, the seemingly humble staple in kitchens around the world, are often regarded as a go-to source of protein and a culinary essential. From scrambled eggs in the morning to a perfectly fried egg atop a burger, eggs have long been a part of the global diet. However, few are aware that there are mistakes and misconceptions about eggs that could not only be harming your health but also diminishing the nutritional value they offer. Have you ever wondered if you're truly cooking eggs the right way? Or perhaps, are you unknowingly making the same common mistakes when it comes to eating, storing, and preparing eggs? Brace yourself for some shocking truths that will change the way you think about eggs forever. Whether you're an egg enthusiast or someone who simply enjoys an occasional omelet, it's time to embark on a journey of egg mastery. Prepare to discover how small, overlooked habits can affect your health, and how making simple adjustments can improve your well-being and culinary skills. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the mistakes that even the most experienced home cooks make, from consuming raw eggs to improper storage, overcooking, and beyond. Some of these errors are more common than you might think, and they could be impacting your health without you even realizing it. Let's crack open the truth about eggs, literally, and reveal the best ways to enjoy them safely, healthily, and deliciously. 1. The dangers of eating raw or undercooked eggs. At some point, most people have considered the idea of eating raw or undercooked eggs. After all, it seems like a quick way to preserve all the nutrients packed inside an egg. And yes, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with protein, vitamins like B12 and D, and essential minerals like selenium. Many health enthusiasts tout raw eggs as a way to maximize nutrient intake, especially for those looking to build muscle or boost their immune system. However, this comes with a significant risk. Consuming raw eggs puts you at risk for salmonella, a dangerous bacteria that can contaminate both the eggshell and the egg's interior. Even when eggs appear clean and fresh, salmonella can still lurk inside, waiting for an opportunity to make you sick. The symptoms of a salmonella infection are typically severe: fever, stomach cramps, diarrhea, and vomiting, and these can lead to dehydration. For older adults, the risk is even more pronounced. As we age, our immune systems become weaker, making it harder to fight off infections. What may be a minor stomach bug for a younger person could be a serious health concern for someone in their 60s or 70s. Therefore, eating raw or undercooked eggs can quickly turn into a health hazard. Even though some people swear by raw egg smoothies or homemade mayonnaise, these foods are more of a gamble than you may think. And let's not forget about avidin, a protein found in raw egg whites that binds with biotin, a B vitamin, preventing the body from absorbing it. Avidin can lead to a biotin deficiency, which can negatively impact your metabolism, skin, hair, and overall health. The good news is that cooking eggs deactivates avidin, making the nutrients in eggs fully absorbable. For the ultimate safety, always cook eggs thoroughly until both the yolk and white are set. If you can't resist that runny yolk, consider pasteurized eggs, which are heat-treated to kill bacteria while maintaining a soft texture. 2. Storing cooked eggs improperly. After cooking eggs, many people make the mistake of leaving them out at room temperature or storing them improperly in the fridge. This is a dangerous error that can lead to bacterial growth, turning a once nutritious meal into a potential health risk. Eggs, especially when cooked, create the perfect breeding ground for harmful bacteria such as Salmonella and E. coli when they're not stored correctly. If cooked eggs are left at room temperature for too long, bacteria can multiply rapidly. Research shows that bacterial growth can double every 20 minutes if eggs are left in what's known as the danger zone, between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. For older adults or those with weakened immune systems, foodborne illnesses can quickly escalate into serious complications. To keep your eggs safe, always refrigerate them within 2 hours of cooking. If the room temperature is especially warm, aim to refrigerate them even sooner, within 1 hour. When storing hard-boiled eggs, ensure the shells remain intact and store them in an airtight container to keep bacteria and contaminants at bay. Scrambled eggs or omelets have a shorter lifespan, so consume them within 2 to 3 days. 3. The dangers of overcooking eggs. Overcooking eggs is one of the most common mistakes in the kitchen, and it's something that many people do without even realizing it. Eggs are rich in nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and healthy fats, but when exposed to excessive heat, they can lose these vital components. Overcooking eggs can create harmful byproducts, such as oxidized cholesterol, which has been linked to inflammation and chronic diseases like heart disease. If you've ever cooked an egg until the yolk turns grayish-green or you've noticed an unpleasant sulfur smell when peeling hard-boiled eggs, then you've experienced overcooking firsthand. The grayish-green color around the yolk is caused by a chemical reaction between sulfur in the egg whites and iron in the yolk. While this may not be harmful in the short term, prolonged consumption of overcooked eggs can increase your risk of health issues, particularly in older adults who may already be prone to inflammation or digestive problems. Overcooking eggs also destroys important nutrients like B12, folate, and antioxidants, which are sensitive to heat. By cooking eggs gently over medium-low heat, you can preserve their nutritional value while avoiding the creation of harmful compounds. Scramble your eggs slowly, cook them until just set, and consider poaching or boiling them for a nutrient-preserving alternative to frying. 4. How to safely reheat eggs. Reheating eggs is another area where mistakes can occur. Microwaving leftover eggs, for example, often leads to rubbery, dry, and unappealing results. The microwave can quickly overcook eggs, robbing them of their texture and nutrients. Worse, if eggs have been improperly stored and bacteria have had a chance to grow, reheating them might not kill the germs and could even exacerbate the problem. The best way to reheat eggs is gently, using low heat on the stove. Adding a bit of water, broth, or butter will help maintain moisture and preserve the texture of the eggs. Avoid reheating eggs in the microwave if you want to maintain their quality. 5. Checking egg freshness. Egg freshness is often overlooked, but it's crucial for both taste and safety. Even though eggs come with an expiration date, it's important to check their condition before using them, especially if they've been stored for a while. One simple and effective method is the water test. Fill a dish with cold water and gently place the egg inside. If the egg sinks and lies flat on the bottom, it's fresh. If it stands upright, it's nearing its expiration and should be used quickly. If it floats, it's no longer safe to eat and should be discarded. Cracked eggs or eggs with an odd smell or appearance should also be avoided, as these signs indicate that the egg may be spoiled. Even eggs that appear normal on the outside can harbor bacteria, so proper storage and regular freshness checks are essential to ensure food safety. Conclusion: mastering the art of egg preparation. Eggs are one of the most versatile, affordable, and nutrient-dense foods available. However, to fully unlock their potential, it's crucial to avoid common mistakes in handling, cooking, and storage. By cooking eggs thoroughly, avoiding overcooking, storing them properly, and checking for freshness, you can enjoy all the benefits eggs have to offer without compromising your health. The key takeaway is simple: eggs are best when treated with care and respect. So the next time you crack open an egg, think about the steps you're taking to maximize its flavor, texture, and nutritional value. With just a few small adjustments, you can ensure that every egg you eat is a delicious and health-boosting addition to your diet. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge of egg mastery, it's time to start cooking with confidence. Enjoy eggs in all their forms, and don't forget to share this guide with others who could benefit from a little egg wisdom.